Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to manage refunds and chargeback on Wix. So for this, first of all, you need to set up a privacy or return policy on your Wix website. So for this, go to dashboard and on the left side, we have the settings option. Click on settings and from here, click on checkout. In checkout, you will find the policies section. Scroll down and here we have policies. Click on return policy and here just display the policy on your checkout page and confirmation emails. Now, if you want to do a refund, so for this, what you can do is, okay, go to sales and click on all payments. So there you will find all the payments. Once you find all the payments here, then you will find the option of refund over the right side like this. So click on refund and the amount will be refund and charged back to the customer. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.